Since her return to mainline running condition in October 2024, the Glenbrook Vintage Railway's DC4818 has already been on some big adventures. In March 2025, the locomotive ventured far away from home when, whilst on loan to Steam Incorporated, she hauled some excursions in the South Island. I decided I'd make a special effort to see her in Christchurch, although I wasn't able to ride aboard any of her excursions. On the morning of Saturday the 8th of March, we see DC4818 in the Christchurch suburb of Riccarton on her way to the Weka Pass Railway. The weather had changed for the better by the time the DC arrived back at Addington Station. After stopping at the platform, she was quickly uncoupled and run back to Middleton for a spin on the turntable. It was good to see Steam Inc.'s excursions with DC4818 turn out to be so popular. Indeed, and although my footage probably doesn't show it, it looked like they had a full house on both Weka Pass trips. 4818 stopped at the signal for a fair while before continuing on to Middleton. I didn't record the rest of her departure because I was focusing on DC 4628 and DXC 5425, who had arrived to shunt the empty Transalpine coaches to Waltham. Next morning, on Sunday the 9th of March, the DC took another excursion to Arthur's Pass, the first one having been on Saturday the 2nd of March. I saw her shunting the empty coaches at Annex Road in Middleton, and propelling them down to the station. Unfortunately, that was the last time I saw DC 4818 on this trip, as I was unable to see her returning from Arthur's Pass. In any case, I would be remiss if I didn't congratulate Steam Incorporated and the Glenbrook Vintage Railway for their efforts in arranging these excursions. At some point, I hope to see DC 4818 again on trips closer to home.